Hello, this is Faith Angels Nursery Primary School. The upper classrooms, there are some are finished. Then we are trying to put up a new structure down for the lower classes. Those are the neighboring hills. I'm going to show you where we shall put the rainwater harvest tanks in case we are finished. There is plenty of water that comes from the roof. So one of the tanks is going to be here. And maybe another tank, in case we are successful, it is going to be put on this new building. It has 3 classrooms, baby, middle and top. Then down there is some other place which is leveled. We're going to put there the baby class. And then this one is primary 3, this is primary 2, no, primary 4. We have primary 5 there. Then the last door, it is for primary 6 and primary 7. The compound, it is not yet made clear. But this is our compound. We have a plan of putting there like some place where children can play from. Basically from the lower classes who will be studying from this side. Maybe another tank will be put here before the staff room. To be put here, and the small colored will be changed, and it goes from behind the classes here. That is our artificial gate. This is the parking lot for the motorcycle. Then we have the fence, and so this is water. We have plenty of water here, mostly rainwater which comes from the roof. So we are hopeful that when we have tanks, we shall be able to tap in this water and provide enough safe clean water for the children and the surrounding communities. This is the behind view of the staff room house or the administration block. And maybe in case we get more water tanks, we shall be able to put like one here. We shall be able to put one like here. Yes. So we shall be able to put one tank like here. So those are like 3 to 4 tanks. Where is our artificial kitchen? You know, currently there are no students around. All the children are with their guardians and caregivers. So the kitchen is very dormant. We only have a few